So, hello and welcome, guys. It's the fifth day of solving DSA until I get a good job. Hope HR is watching this. And this is the fifth day I'm trying to solve DSA question, but this DSA question is the fourth one. And I just talked yesterday about this question. What's this? The longest common prefix. We just have to find the uh, common patterns or common word in these all three of them, but it should be from the starting. So supposingly flower, flow and flight, this all three have FL in the common from the starting, whether as dog, race car and car doesn't have. The car is common in this three two word, but it doesn't common in the dog. It's very different. The main what we have to do is write a function to find the longest common prefix string amongst an array of strings. If there is no common prefix, return the empty string. Firstly, what we're going to do. Okay, so list is strs. Firstly, if it's not a list, we will directly return an empty string. For that, first we will just give a variable to str. Say strs. Then what we will going to do, we will be just saying that if there is no list, then we will return empty string, obviously, because I don't want this function to be worked on any other thing like tuple or a basic string, so or a list with integers or anything else. So I think it will be work with integers. It's not a big problem. So let's say if not in S, then return ATURN, return an empty string, right? Now I want to check the words in the list. So for that, I will use obviously the for loop. So for loop. Now for what? So as we know in the list, it's very basic. In the list, we are searching for the words. So for words, WORDS, or we can say just W, because it's Python, we can do anything. Or we can just say I, but I will not use I because it's normally everyone does it. So why would I? So for W, we for W in, we are not using the range because I want the whole sum of the list to check in. For W in and this straight stats, right? Or wait, do I need to find the word in list? Yes, this exact keyword I want in the list. So S. But while writing this, I just click something. Can we just pop out the first word and just we can just assume the first word uh, is the main link of all the word, and just we can reduce the first word to check all the word. So for example, what I mean to say is, just see this case. And yes, okay, so supposing we have these three words, cloud, flow and fight. What we will going to do is we will take the first word as our our main hero, right? And these are all the side heroes. So what's common between the main hero and side heroes? For that, supposingly these all words are the superpowers of them, and there are different kinds of superpowers. I want to know what are the patterns, what are the same kind of powers those the superhero has. It doesn't, and it should be in the same flow, like it should be in the same order, right? So in this case, I will first check this word with this word, and what the common will be. I will be added it in the prefix, or let's say we will give it a word pre. So for this, when we check these two words, we will got the word flow in common, right? But now the flow is in the prefix. Now prefix will check in the fight. The FL word is common in fight and flow. So we will write FL. Okay, it's I messed up here. FL in the prefix, right or wrong? So